We'll talk to her about it.
I sent her an email. I know she read it.
Yeah.
Fucking blasted it.
Huh.
Piece of shit.
Good. Fuck her.
Yeah.
And she sucks as a real estate person, too.
Yeah. You know what?
She almost cost me a lot of money.
She's got no husband.
Yeah.
The kids don't talk to her.
Wow.
The parents don't talk to her.
Really?
And the brother and sister don't talk to her.
Did you put that in the letter?
Yep.
Good morning, Master Designers. Tonight, we're going to draw a flashback.
I said, you got, your kids don't, you got no kids, you got no brothers and sisters, you got no parents.
From Thumb Wrestling Federation.
That's a good luck.
He's bad, even for a Sinistra.
Wow. Good. What an ass.
I'm like, fuck you.
And she got what she deserved.
She just used her. She used the whole family.
Really?
But he's got problem with memory issues.
That's terrible. She's got something wrong with her.
Yep.
She's got wrong with her life.
Yep. Nobody talks to her.
He's so bound down by his past that he can't appear to remember to wrestle. However, after he does remember to wrestle, he's quite a formidable fighter. And his signature move is the photo finish. Precious moments indeed. Let's immortalize it, shall we?